name is John Triplett, and I'm excited to join you in Portland for Digital Summit 2019. I'm a Pacific Northwest native, so I'm especially excited for this conference. This year, we're going to be talking about the customer journey, how you're able to meet your customers along their path to conversion. We're also going to go through some things about how to own your audience and show you some examples like how Domino's was able to take their stock from $3 a share to over $240 a share in less than a decade. So join me in Portland for Digital Summit 2019, and we'll learn some good stuff and have some fun together. See you there. If you haven't yet purchased your pre-conference ticket or your ticket to Digital Summit as a whole, we've provided a link for you to go ahead and sign up today.